Alomun nakameri Nuba Emorikikinos kedenuche aboliak nesejamu nebe aboliak aluka Uganda She Cranes kojena kwape netball team loko Uganda nesida ibuni asam ejok Fred Mugerwa etutwa loko She Cranes ngesejai ayonebe epote aboliaka ke asam ejok kotoma abolia shokangun.
Big boost to the team, and because being a professional and a player who has been scoring goals there, we feel that he is going to boost up our team, and the morale I think is high. You must have seen how they have been playing, and they also wanted her at least to coordinate with these other players that are going to feed her, and also for her to learn how to play with these other girls, because the majority of these girls are new and they have never played with her. So this training here will at least give us that a picture of how they are going to work out with her and to see if she can score a goal that she has been scoring.
Abolia show nuka Commonwealth noda isipe joy akwapuna ko Birmingham kese pote apukor kolap kalo erasa kaisara luka nyauni aitodol olapangun erasi akanyauni mere Nuba abolia nako She Cranes nes elakanar kanonges Alomun Emorikikinos keda abolia kake.
It's been a year or so when we knew that we're going to qualify for the Commonwealth Games. So I'm really excited to be joining the girls and training, just keeping on challenging ourselves as we go out there. The most part of it, I just want to have fun, and this will be my first time playing for the Commonwealth Games. So I'm really excited to see what will be out there for me, and just enjoying netball as a game itself. But besides that, this will be my first time playing Commonwealth Games, so I'm really excited to just represent Uganda.
Akwapuna ko Uganda nesida ibwai kitai ugrupu lokaba neda jasi akwapin kwape England, Northern Ireland, Malawi, New Zealand, Trinidad, keda Tobago. Uganda nesida kerekeja isame jok kotoma abolia naka netibo ido ejai na peta ebe ebunilo lobobo kana ayatakit asam ejok. Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV is koibuga sorot.